In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer to a video in CapCut, and I'll also walk you through a few quick fixes if the effects panel is not loading properly. This is a simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you want to add countdowns, time overlays or timer style effects to your edits without getting stuck on blank menus or missing assets. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and make sure the app is fully closed before you start if anything seems broken or missing. If the timer or effects are not appearing, one of the fastest things you can do is route your connection through a VPN, open your desktop VPN client, and switch your server location to the United States or the United Kingdom. Then relaunch CapCut so the app can reload its online assets. After that, go straight to the Effects tab and check whether the timer effects or related overlays are now visible. If the panel is still giving you trouble, the next step is to clear the application cache. Corrupted temporary files can cause the effects section to freeze, load forever, or appear completely blank. From CapCut's main dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the hexagon settings icon. Then choose Settings, go to the Cache tab and click Clear Cache or the Trash Bin button. Once the cache is cleared, restart CapCut completely and open it again. This refreshes the app and often fixes missing timer assets right away. Now let's check your account and permission status, because sometimes CapCut hides certain content if the app is not synced correctly. Click your profile icon in the top left corner of CapCut, log out of your account, and then sign back in using your credentials. This forces the app to refresh your permissions and reconnect to the server, which can bring back missing effect catalogs, including timer style effects. If the timer still does not show up correctly, the last thing to check is your performance and rendering settings. On some devices, hardware encoding can interfere with the way effects load or preview. Open Settings from the dashboard, go to the Performance tab and uncheck Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Then open your project and look under the Preview window for the quality setting. Switch it from High Quality to Performance or Recommended Quality. Give the asset library a moment to finish downloading, and then check your timeline again. Once everything is loaded properly, you can add your timer by selecting the effect or overlay you want, placing it on your video, and adjusting the timing so it appears exactly where you need it. You can trim it, extend it, or line it up with a specific moment in your edit. If you're using a countdown-style timer, make sure to preview the full clip so you can confirm the timing looks clean and matches your content. And that's how to add a timer to a video in CapCut, plus how to fix the most common issues if the effects are not showing up. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.